It's one of the things, the traditions they do here at the track. Mark Gordon, Stephen Bearworth. Get the Great Canadian RV green flag. Gordon on the great start. And here comes the 19 of Alex McGibbon coming on the inside along with 15 Scott Jacobs. 15 on the inside of McGibbon. They're battling it door to door. They haven't even been able to keep the tires, but they're still going to battle it out. Jacobs makes the pass coming out of the pool. Jacobs, Alex McGibbon. Mark Gordon, how he rolls, fast it out. Flag this time by for Mark Gordon, Scott Jacobs, in a battle for a third between Alex McGibbon and Stephen Bearworth. The launch pad there as they cross the line. Checkered flag in the air, and it's going to